mo concert? Siguro sa mga tao? No boy. Oh, naman load pa load. Ah, sige boy. Oh, naginamdam nag-sara-sara Marvin. Balo ka naman boy.
Oh, maon kanina pa.
Kan.
Pero wala, sabi na ako.
Boy, umiwas si Julius tawad man sa iyo mo. Sige boy. Boss na la. Ulira ka. Sige.
Bayan ko si Gon. Sir, ba mo sir ako? Sir, ba na si Gon? Matay si Matay.
Aw, sere? Hindi ka lagi nam.
Bayan mo na. Gon. Sir mo eh.
Hindi ko ano, ihilog ninyo. Sige boy, boss na lang, arigda. Sige. Cut. Bawal gawin ni. Ito. Amigo, tanga. Hindi ko biyak talaga makaumal yun na.
Hi, what's your name?
Faith,
Faith, how old are you?
12 years old.
Wow. And where are you from?
I'm from Swindon.
Are you feeling nervous?
No.
Nervous and excited.
What did you think when you woke up this morning?
I was like, is this even real? So I pinched myself. Oh, this isn't real. I can't be doing this. Yeah.
Got a very close answer. Can I ask you a question? Have you ever had moments when you've lost your confidence? I'm really curious.
I have lost my confidence a little bit with like a bit of negative energy from different schools, from
Yeah.
like but my mum and my dad, they helped me get through that, which is why I'm here today. So
Okay, my darling. Well, good luck. This is your moment.
thank you.
It's so cute.
Ay, pero hindi ka diesel. Ha?
Ambot. Hiblo.
Pero udang isang manok.
Ano?
Maray na.
Kamu na. Or labog mo.
Labog mo, walang kayo. Kailan ko mag-shampoo? Daman buksan niyo?
Oo.
Wala ko nakawa ng dal. Di ba sa tunakaw ng mga balot nga ni Kapag PA pala?
Di man kata ko.
Dulo. Yay, mas dako pa sa tunakaw. Ako na rin ko kauna. Kadang isang buhok. Pagutin nila sa unakaon. Kaya dako ng manok nga ni. Dahil.
Ang kape yun eh.
Sorry. Thank you. Ada tubig yan. Bakal. Ito ko lang wakpak, mag-clean sila.